that looks simple, ordinary, even worn out. But if you listen closely, this coin whispers stories from more than 2 centuries ago. This is not just a coin. This is a survivor of time, a witness of war. Chapter 1: A coin from a troubled year. The year 1809 was not an ordinary year for Britain. Europe was burning in the flames of the Napoleonic Wars, and King George III sat on the throne, once powerful, now aging and slowly losing his health. While cannons thundered across Europe, in the Royal Mint of London, small pieces of copper were being struck with precision, each carrying the portrait of a king battling both war and his own mind. And one of those copper coins, one out of millions, somehow survived 116 years and found its way into your hand today. Most coins from this time were melted, lost, or destroyed, but not this one. This one lived. Chapter 2: Front side. The king who lost America and fought Napoleon. As your fingers glide over the front surface of this coin, you see the portrait of King George III, his title engraved around the edge. Georgius 3 Dei Gratia, which means George III, by the grace of God. This king ruled longer than almost any British monarch before him, but his life was filled with battles, both political and personal. He was the king who lost the American colonies, the king who stood strong against Napoleon, and the king who suffered from a mysterious illness that historians still debate today. When this coin was minted, George III was already fragile, his eyesight fading, his memory slipping, his voice trembling, yet the coin still shows him with a posture of strength, a reminder that royal power had to appear unbreakable even when the man behind it was falling apart. Chapter 3: Backside. Britannia, the symbol of power. Flip the coin slowly, and there she is, Britannia, seated calmly, holding a trident, a shield by her side, gazing over the waves that symbolize the British Empire. But don't let her calm appearance fool you. Britain in 1809 was not at peace. This coin circulated in days when soldiers marched across Europe, ships battled in the Atlantic, and Britain fought to keep its power. Every person who touched this coin, a soldier, a farmer, a baker, a merchant, held in their hand a symbol of a nation refusing to fall. Chapter 4: The making of this coin. This 1809 copper coin. In the early 1800s, Britain faced a severe shortage of small change. People used tokens, foreign coins, and even cut pieces of metal just to buy bread. So, the Royal Mint had one mission: produce millions of durable copper coins fast. These coins were large, heavy, and made from high-quality copper. They were designed not just as currency, but as tools to stabilize the economy.